Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our third video as part of verification and analysis, and we are covering voucher verification as part of verification and analysis feature. And this is part of our playlist Power of Data Analysis. In this video, we will see how we can set different sampling method for each of the transactions through the voucher mode or through accounting group or ledgers also. Let us go to Tally and explore setting up of various sampling method in Tally. In the last video, we explored different sampling methods. Now let us apply different sampling methods to the vouchers for audit. So select verification of voucher and press enter. We are in the voucher type listing. Let us select payment voucher type. This has the highest number of vouchers and press space bar to select it. Now on the right hand side, we have this option which says sampling configuration. Click on sampling configuration and we have the list of different sampling methods. Let us choose Benford analysis. We understood the Benford law in our previous video. As per the law, Tally provides negative and positive variances based on Benford's method for the first digit of the transaction value. Let us select negative variance and notice that Tally is sampled 20 vouchers as per the option we chose, and the number 0 in bracket here is the indication that out of 20 vouchers that is sampled, none of them have been verified. Select sampled voucher and drill down. We will get the list of vouchers as per the option we chose. And now click on payment voucher, and when you press enter, you will get list of sampled vouchers month wise. The total voucher is displayed here for each month, and out of 12 vouchers for the month of April, 6 vouchers have been sampled applying Benford's method of sampling. Escape. Now let us select receipt voucher. Click on receipt voucher, spacebar, click on sampling configuration. This time let us select specific vouchers. Enter, and in the from beginning show every type 5, which means show every fifth voucher, and from the voucher number let us say 5. Enter, and Tally is sampled 3 numbers. Again come down to the sampled vouchers, press enter, and we will see these 3 vouchers, and on the top we will also see what is the sampling method that we have applied and what parameter have we specified is shown here for these 3 vouchers that are getting listed. Escape, come down to sales voucher, spacebar, sampling configuration, and this time let us select even numbers of voucher, and starting voucher number let us say 10. So from voucher number 10, every other even voucher will be selected as sampled. Enter, and we see here that 7 vouchers have been sampled. We can also sample at a group or ledger level. To change the view to accounting group, click on the blue arrow here and select group/ledger wise. By default, it will show group wise. We can apply sampling for group wise also. When you see under current asset, there are subgroups. Select current asset and enter. We have the subgroup listed. We can sample for each of the subgroup under current asset, or you can directly sample under the current asset, which includes all the other subgroups. Let us say you want to sample based on the ledger. Click here ledger wise, and now we get the list of ledgers. Now come down to HDFC Bank, which has got 92 vouchers. Select spacebar and click on sampling configuration. This time let us select amount range, and in the minimum amount enter 1 lakh, maximum amount enter 7 lakh. In the range of information we can select credit amount only, debit amount only, or both. So which means basically the minimum amount will get listed will be 1 lakh and above, and maximum amount will be up to 7 lakh. So beyond 7 lakh will not get listed and below 1 lakh will not get listed. Now let us select debit amount, enter, and notice there are 12 vouchers which have got sampled. Come down to sample voucher, enter, and we will see the list of vouchers as per the parameter that we have specified, which is getting displayed here. Escape. Let's select one more ledger. Select cash ledger, spacebar, sampling configuration. This time let us select specified period, and in the from just type J for 1st of January. Again type J till 31st of January. Now Tally is selected 5 vouchers from the cash voucher of 55,000 based on the specified period. So all the vouchers for the month of January is selected as sampled. Select here and press enter. We will see the list of vouchers that have been sampled. Escape. Now just in case if you want to remove sampling and apply different sampling method, all you have to do is select the ledger that you have sampled, press spacebar, and you will now see on the right hand side button bar there is a button which says restore default. When you click on restore default, Tally will give you this message. Do you want to remove sampling? All you have to do is just press enter. The information says it is removed the sampling and it is restored to default. Just press spacebar and you will notice that the 5 sampled voucher has been deselected from the sampling list. This way you can apply different sampling methods to voucher type, ledger or groups. In fact, you can also manually sample vouchers. Let's select Computer Shopping, which has got 2 vouchers, and press enter. You will get the list of vouchers. Now you can manually select any voucher. Since you are already in the voucher listing, let's say you want to select the sales voucher, press spacebar, and again on the right hand side you will notice that there is this option called set manual sampling. Click on set manual sampling and you will get this flag which says this particular voucher has been sampled manually. Escape again, and now we are in the verification dashboard, which now gives you the information about the sampled voucher. Out of total of 252 vouchers, 40 vouchers have been sampled, which constitute 16% of the total voucher base, and 0% and no data here. That means all these 40 vouchers that have been sampled have not yet been verified. We can also see the breakup of the sampling that we have applied. Voucher type wise sampling, 30 vouchers have been sampled, and applying sample on ledger, 10 vouchers have been sampled. We can select voucher type wise, enter, and we will get further analysis of the sampled voucher. So out of 252 vouchers, 30% vouchers, which constitute 11.90% have been sampled, and out of this total 30 vouchers that has been sampled, the various sampling method that we have applied, for each of the sampling method it gives you the count of the voucher and the percentage of the sampled voucher of the total sample. Verified again is empty. Once we verify, this will get filled up. Let us select Benford analysis, enter. Payment voucher, where again it gives you the sampling description. There are 20 vouchers. Select enter and we get monthly count of sampled vouchers along with the percentage. Let us select April month, and now if you want to verify multiple voucher, all you have to do is just press to go inside the voucher. Remember, you have to press Ctrl Enter to drill down inside the voucher to view the voucher information or voucher detail. Once you are satisfied, press Escape, and now press spacebar. Come down to the next one, spacebar, spacebar. So these 3 vouchers at a time you want to mention as verified. So all you have to do is see here again on the right hand side button bar, we have this option called verify. The keyboard shortcut is Alt R. Just press Alt R and now you can specify the verified status. Under verification status, select verified. If you want, you can specify the verification note or accept as it is, and now you will see the verification status as verified. Now, just in case if you want to revert this back, which means you want to change the status as not yet verified, how do you do that? Again, select the verified voucher, press spacebar, and on the right hand side, you have this button called remove verify. Click on remove verify, enter, restore, and you will notice that the verification status has been reverted back. Escape, and now we will see that out of the total 6 vouchers sampled for the month of April using Benford analysis, 2 vouchers have been verified, which constitute 33% of the total voucher. When you press escape, you will see here 2 vouchers of 20, if you consider as 100% of the sample voucher, 2 vouchers which constitutes 10% have been verified for the payment voucher type. Again, here we will get this information, and when you come down to the dashboard, it says out of the total 40 vouchers that has been sampled, 2 vouchers have been verified, which constitutes 5% of the sampled voucher. I hope the sampling methods provided in Tally is comprehensive enough, especially for auditors when you are auditing the books of accounts of the client. And also we saw how you can reverse or remove the sampling method that you have applied, and you can reapply a different sampling method also. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.